Fitch has lowered its rating of U.S. debt to AA+ from AAA, citing concerns over a rising debt burden and eroding confidence in Washington's leadership, only months after lawmakers brought the world's largest economy to the brink of a sovereign default. The downgrade points to fears that repeated political standoffs over the debt limit could threaten the stability of the $25 trillion global treasury market. Treasuries have typically been seen as a safe haven asset, backed by trust that America will pay back its obligations, and this faith has helped to underpin U.S. debt as a benchmark for stocks and other bonds. Oil prices rose Wednesday, nearing their highest level since April after industry data pointed to a hefty fall in U.S. inventories, indicating robust demand from the world's biggest fuel consumer. Data from the American Petroleum Institute yesterday showed that U.S. crude inventories shrank by 15.4 million barrels in the week to July 28th, the largest draw seen in data stretching back to 1982. AMD delivered better-than-expected second-quarter results yesterday, with EPS of $0.58 versus the consensus estimate of $0.57. Revenue fell 18% year-over-year to $5.4 billion, still beating the consensus estimate of $5.32 billion. AMD forecasts that the release of its artificial intelligence chips will drive up its annual results, announcing plans to launch its MI300 AI chips later this year. The technology is expected to compete directly with rival NVIDIA in the market for AI-powering chips. The company's chief executive officer noted that customer interest in the MI300 series of chips is very high. CVS Health delivered a surprise beat in the second quarter and a confirmation of its full-year adjusted EPS. The pharmacy and healthcare giant reported that adjusted EPS for the quarter fell to $2.21 from $2.53 last year, but beat the consensus of $2.13. Revenue rose 10.3% to $88.921 billion, beating the consensus of $86.41 billion. In its quarterly report, CVS said during the quarter it developed an enterprise-wide restructuring plan intended to streamline and simplify the organization, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.